Here we have the BMW X5 3 litre 45e M Sport. This vehicle is finished in Arctic grey with contrasting Vanaska leather interior. The vehicle benefits from the M Sport Pro Pack, the 22-inch alloy wheels which are on non-run flat tyres. The vehicle also benefits from the Comfort Plus package, which we go into when we're on the inside of the vehicle. As you can see, the vehicle is in outstanding condition throughout. There's those lovely 22-inch alloys with the Estoril blue brakes, the black front kidney grills, which are part of the M Sport Pro package, the LED headlights. Now to the inside. So with it being the Comfort Plus, we get the massage seats, the top tilt comfort seats, so the top of the seat tilts independently for your shoulder support. It also has the winged headrests for additional comfort, along with the electric deploying knee support. Heated inner and outer front armrests, the fragrance system, which is in the glove box, heated and ventilated seats. You also get the heated and cooled drinks holders, the hi-fi speaker system, comfort access, 4-zone climate control with heated rear seats. There's the M seat belts with the M colours. Rear pull-out blinds, along with the upper and lower tailgate being electric. That again is part of the Comfort Plus package. Both cables are with the car, so we've got the 3-pin charger and we've got the Type 2 cable. So if you've got a wall box at home, you don't need a tethered wall box. As you can see, it is in superb condition throughout. The passenger seat also is heated and ventilated with massage facility. There are numerous massages available. Vehicle also has the soft close door system on it as well. Air suspension. There we go. Thank you for watching.